Okay, I'm gonna walk around and show what it looks like after I have done all I'm gonna do for now, for video purposes. Okay. Now, I'm filling up the water right now, as you can see. And then here is how much we got of pond sludge. So I showed you it before, like that's quite a lot, but it's a lot less than it used to be because I think those plants in the pond filters, I noticed that the roots were getting into the pond muck, and so there was less pond muck in there. Okay, so I'm going to put that on top of the pond muck because the pond muck sometimes smells bad. I can't smell anything today, so that's different. But here's what it looks like cleaned after being vacuumed. And I was going to go ahead and describe what some of these things were. I have an extra pipe here if I want to add another filtration system, or if I wanted to filter water to do some kind of other aquaponic idea like I've seen in different videos where they take water and filter it down through a hydroponic sort of thing. But right now I'm not doing all that, but I have that sitting on the back burner as just in case. It's already connected in. So this is called, and I also did that here where I could connect another pipe if I wanted to here. So I have a valve, shut-off valve here, I have a shut-off valve here, and the pipe is connected by a union, so I can take this off and clean it whenever I need to. Okay, so there's a little bit more explanation. Let's see. And the next time that I decide to do a little bit more thorough cleaning, I will show that. This is where my earthworms are. See if I show you that real quick. You can't see them in there, but that whole thing is full of earthworms. So this is it. I have a shut-off valve here. I have a shut-off valve here. This pipe has both pipes coming in. See, it's coming from the same pipe, so it's connected to the same pond pump is what that means. One jet from the pond pump cycles into right here. It runs there and it runs there. Union pipe, valve, valve, union pipe. This one, I didn't put a union pipe on, but that is a threaded pipe, so I can unscrew that to clean that pipe when I need to. Okay, and like I did say, okay, and here I was going to show you this too. There is, you can see worms and snails in there. Okay, so that's two other things I got that the fish probably eat. I put the snails in there a long time ago, various snails, pond snails. I don't remember what kind of snails that I had, but there are tons of snails, which the koi fish I assume eat, but the snails do like to get up into the pond filters, and they'll sit on top of those sump pumps or get into the filter pads. And that was supposed to be another thing that was supposed to clean. Well, I don't know if the snails were supposed to clean your water. At one point, I ordered some clams from Florida to put in the pond filters to see if that would do anything, and those things did not make it. I think it was clams. Yeah, warm water, freshwater clams. So anything else? I trimmed up. You can see. Did I show the rest of these after they've been cleaned up, or was it just showing the pipe? It's like when you're just doing stuff and not talking about it, it's like, did I talk about that or not? See, that's after vacuuming and after trimming the pond plant. So you can see these roots right here. These roots are keeping the amount of pond muck down, I assume. So that's one way how we know there's proof it does work to have pond plants to help with your water filtration. One of the things that I would like to do right here, this is a rock that I've marked. You can see it on the ground. I marked it because I'd used dowsing rods to find a water source, and I wanted to try and use one of those hand things and build my own water well. It excited me to try and do that. And then also, I really want to get into figuring out some way to collect rainwater for my pond so that I can like do that in a more, self way where I'm not having to do the chlorine thing. But I don't know, because those big storage containers for rainwater are kind of expensive, and so I have to find an affordable way to do that. And then I would also probably have to put some kind of PVC piping all over my roof so I have some way to collect the water. So those are ideas, but although I don't know how long I'm going to be staying in this location, but I am still expanding upon how I might grow. Okay, so for now, I'm going to upload this, and then those are our educational videos for today. Business, you call it educational or business? I guess it's a little bit of both.